it would seem to the defense would be another 2.0 version of a fishing expedition.
Is the motion for subpoena ducis tecum and/or ad testificandum that you filed today exactly the same as what you filed before?
No, Your Honor. It contains the same documents that we had requested earlier, but there were some additional documents that were also mentioned in the request we filed this afternoon.
So you asked for additional documents and
Yes, Your
information?
Honor.
What is counsel for respondent saying?
Your Honor, before I give my comment on the request for subpoena, I thank the good counsel for offering to provide us a copy of the request for subpoena, but we would also ask that we be provided with the June 2026 copies of the request for subpoena as well as the new one that the counsel mentioned today. But just for the record, it would seem to me that the request for subpoena covers documents involving years from 2006 up to 2025. And again, just for the record, this would seem to violate the Duterte versus HOR ruling, which very clearly states that the impeachment must be only for those acts or omissions within the impeachable years and terms and office of the official. But nonetheless, Your Honor, just so we're able to fully ventilate whatever objections or comments that we may have on this request, and considering that for today and in the disclosure made by the prosecution, they will begin with Article 4 and all these documents seem to pertain to Article 2, then we will ask for 10 days to file our comment on this request for subpoena, Your Honor. From today,
Chair
Your Honor.
hereby directs that all motions for the issuance of subpoena ad testificandum, subpoena ducis tecum filed by either parties be furnished to opposing party and/or counsel before filing it before this court in order to provide full disclosure and fairness. But instead of 5 days, counsel, Chair is giving both parties 5 days to submit their respective memoranda and/or position insofar as it is concerned. We will afford the parties time to argue their position before the court so that the senator judges can hear your position in addition to your extended written memoranda insofar as this crucial issue of issuance of a subpoena ducis tecum ad testificandum on certain bank records and AMLC records, which the chair will schedule, giving ample notice to the parties in due time. Is that okay with both sides?
Just for clarity,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes, counsel for respondent.
May I ask that the period, if the period for the parties to submit or the respondent to submit its comment, her comment on the request for subpoena would be 5 days from today, Your Honor?
From today, but you can submit it on Monday since it lands on a Saturday.
Second, Your Honor, the presiding officer mentioned that we also must submit a memorandum or position paper on this, Your Honor.
If you so desire, or you simply can argue it in open court,
Okay,
but
Your
you may want to submit an extended written memorandum on the matter for the easy reading of the senator judges pertaining to this issue.
Last, Your Honor, will the court also schedule an oral argument on the respective positions of the parties?
Yes, Chair will do that.
Thank you, Your Honor. And this would not be on Monday, Your Honor.
No, that will not be on Monday.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If Your Honor,
Counsel
please.
for prosecutor?
Yes. May I be allowed to make a counter manifestation, just a brief one with respect to the statement of the defense counsel regarding the application of the case of Duterte versus House of Representatives.
The gentleman may proceed briefly.
Your Honor, the decision and the resolution of the Supreme Court in that case did not say that any preterm evidence is inadmissible. There is no statement like that at all in the entire decision and the resolution. What the Supreme Court said, and I quote, was very simple. The basis of any charge must be for impeachable acts or omissions committed in relation to their office and during the current term of the impeachable officer. All of the articles in this particular case pertain to impeachable acts committed by the Vice President during her term as an impeachable officer, including unexplained wealth. If I may just be allowed 1 minute, Your Honor, to explain that. The
1 minute.
unexplained wealth, Your Honor, that is amassed prior to the term of a vice president is relevant and material to her being an impeachable officer because wealth of the magnitude of millions or billions ay meron pa rin pong pakinabang po yan ang vice president kahit hanggang ngayon. It's very clear that when a local government official, for example, who later becomes a national official, amasses hundreds of millions, if not billions of pesos, then that benefit continues today. Second, if Your Honor, please, integrity, hindi po pwedeng biyakin po yan na kesa dati ay hindi po ganon at ngayon may integridad. It's very clear that integrity is a continuing requirement of fitness for office. Thank you, Your Honor.
Duly noted and entered into the records.
May I respond? Just very briefly, Your Honor. I won't
Council
take
correspondent,
much time of the impeachment.
as a
But
rejoinder to the statement and manifestation of Representative Jokno, briefly.
Thank you, Your
Madam,
Honor.
You may proceed.
I think the good counsel has already stated precisely the reason for our position. We maintain our belief that the Duterte versus HOR ruling precludes any of these trawling incursion, again, on private records of so many individuals and so many entities when nothing in the articles of impeachment point to any specific allegations as to the relevancy of all these documents, Your Honor. But nonetheless, we will include all our position and as well as our objections on the request made today with respect to these documents, and what it would seem to the defense would be another 2.0 version of a fishing expedition. May I also, Your Honor, just to clarify also the period given to us to comment on the request for subpoena, may we ask that the 5-day period run from our receipt of the copies of the documents, Your Honor.
We will make sure that the council correspondent will get that today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The comments of both councils of the parties are duly noted and entered into the records. Chair would like to apologize to Senator Cayetano, who has been waiting for quite some time.